So I will be unboxing the Galaxy Watch. This is Bluetooth and LTE, so it does work as a phone. So we'll just open this up and see what this looks like. Ugh. Okay, so this is the watch here. This one's the black watch. And so that's the watch, and then it has, you can open this up, and then it will have all the goodies that you need for charging and everything. So here's the charger that it'll set on with the cord, and then so you can plug it in as well. And then it does have a second watch band as well, so that is nice. And then instructions. So that is the watch, and then once I get this all set up, I will show you some of the features.